Hey everybody, I was just looking at this beautiful food plot. These plots turn out great. We have 6 of them on this property now. And I was just thinking, if you have a situation where you have a lot of scattered food plots and you have remote areas, or you don't own a tractor and you really don't want to spend the time to do all your spraying, overseeding, herbicide applications, I have an alternative for you that I think you're going to like. Do it all easily and very, very quickly and efficiently, and it's not as expensive as you might think. So stay tuned, watch this thing all the way through, and you'll see everything you can do to work on your food plots without any equipment at all. Okay, today we're going to use a drone to apply fertilizer and glyphosate to this cornfield. You can see the cornfield that has a lot of foxtail in it is not doing well at all. It looks a lot better out on that side. That side had a good cover crop in it for a couple of years, and this side did not. So it's not doing very well. We're going to try to boost it and take away the competition using this guy. First step is to map the field out. And once that's in the computer, you can just automatically spray the whole thing. You can see this corn looks a hell of a lot better than the other corn because we're planting after cover crops. I didn't fertilize this at all. It greened up pretty nice. It was a little yellow earlier because I think it was just getting too much rain. So soybeans are filling in pretty decent, and I think once we get this glyphosate on, we'll be good. Alright, that only took about 10 minutes and, to do an acre and a half. Pretty impressive. Don't have to run over any of your plants. and we're going to fly on some dry fertilizer as well. But right now we're going to head out and get some ferns while we're here. Alright, next this is a failed regeneration harvest here, where the deer ate all the trees down and ferns took over. So we have no tree regeneration in here. And what I'd like to do is get rid of these ferns and replant this area. We're liable to see a response once the fern's gone. We could end up with a lot of good fords in there for deer. And then we'll put some trees in there, probably a lot of chestnut. There's a chestnut right here that is doing really well. This is the third year, and it's coming up out of the tube already. So it's looking pretty good. All right, we'll see how this goes. You got to pick his way in between the trees. Kurt's using the drone's camera to pick his way through the area, get in between the trees. I imagine that takes a little practice. He ain't scared. He's going right through the trees. That's pretty nice, actually. Okay, next we're going to get this 3rd-acre food plot. It's been neglected, so it's coming up with horsetail and Japanese stilt grass. A lot of stilt grass over around the edge here. So we'll spray that. Maybe this fall I can get something on here, maybe not. We'll see. We'll try to get this sprayed out, and I may have a forestry tiller come through and till this up, and then we'll get some lime and fertilizer on and some clover. Okay, the next thing is to get this fertilizer into a dry bucket and put a spreader on the drone and spread the fertilizer. Okay, so we put 100 pounds of fertilizer in there. We'll see how long that takes to put on. get rid of 100 pounds. Get done, we'll spread some brassicas. It's a little early yet. It's June 7th, or I'm sorry, July 7th. Alright, so that took 30 seconds. No, it took 1 minute to spread 100 pounds. Alright, in this pack, we have the last of the fertilizer, and I mixed in brassicas and a little bit of extra clover that I had left over. It's a little early, but we'll put that on now. As long as we're here. And I hope to see some nice trophy rape coming up. You know, if that corn doesn't make it this year, then we'll still have something for deer to eat and something that'll attract them.